Okay, so we're here in Google Drive, and if you just go over to the new or plus new button, you can see where you can create a new folder, or we're going to create a new Google Doc. And as you could tell, it's an untitled document. It gives you a lot of options, but just to keep it simple, we'll just call it test document for sharing, and then we'll title it the same, just so we can see what it does. It's Google populates that field of the document title just by looking at the text that's in there. So now if we click share, which is up here in the right, you'll see that it brings up a little menu, and that menu gives you a place where you can populate the names and people that you want to share it with. So that's where I would say first to populate, but there's also the option to copy the link. If you do that, you would have to open up the restriction here. So general access is currently restricted, but if we want to allow anyone with the link, you would just click that option. And then copying the link would give you the ability to paste it into a text or an email to share it with somebody. But right now they are as a viewer, or you could change them to be a commenter, which allows them to suggest edits, or an editor, which would give them the same access to the document that you have, where you can make changes anywhere in that document. So the other place where you could populate this field is up here, where in the add people, groups, or calendar events, I'm going to click on the name of someone. This is my wife. I'll just enter her in there. And you can send a message as well. Here is the document. And she's currently set up as an editor, but you could change that to viewer or commenter. You just want to check these fields when you get ready to send. And then you click send. And that would send an invitation message to her with the link in it. And then she would receive it and be able to edit the document. Now you'll notice that the tab that was created is test document for sharing is separate from where we were momentarily with the My Drive field. So if I look now in the My Drive, I have a new document now. That document says untitled document, but if you open it up, you'll see that it's the same document that we just created. And now I am in there looking at it. Once I close that document and I go back and look at it in My Drive, it now populates that field with the title of the document.